OpenClaw bot. Have you heard about this? Do you know what it is? In this video, we're going to talk about what it is and my thoughts about it. I think it's an incredible tool. I also think it's an extremely dangerous tool. Let's get into it. So if you don't know what OpenClaw is, it's been hitting the internet by craze. It's basically a fully autonomous AI agent that can take actions. Like, you could literally give it a credit card, it could buy things, it could do tasks, it can manage your calendar, it could actually do things. Like, think of a staff member or an employee, you tell them to do a task, it can literally do it. So we own a video company. I wonder if I could tell it to edit videos and if it would do it. But this tool is an open source autonomous AI agent, basically a self-running AI assistant that could do real tasks instead of just chatting. It runs locally on your machine or cloud server, and it connects to your everyday messaging app like WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, Discord. And from there, you could talk to it like a chat buddy or like a person, basically. So you can tell it what to do straight from a text message, just like how you would text message your assistant to do whatever. You could literally text it to do whatever task you need it to. So this is extremely powerful because it has a lot of capacities. I've been seeing videos where people are telling it to make money for them, and it's literally going on Fiverr, creating a listing, a job thing, and it's fulfilling orders and making money. I've also seen traders talking to it and giving it, inputting their strategy into it and allowing it to trade for them and generating 9% returns, which is pretty nuts. I mean, it's not like crazy amount, but my overall portfolio at the moment, this is 2026 February, it's been quite a volatile couple of weeks, but my portfolio at the moment I think is only up like 6 to 9% current. So 9% on an AI bot, that's pretty nuts. It can literally manage your inbox, send messages for you, run scripts and automation workflows, interact with apps, remember preferences. And why it's trending, it's because it's free open source. So at the moment it's free. So I haven't fully even done it because it's free, and when things are free, that means that you are the product. So social media is free, right? But why is it free? It's because the conglomerates are running ads to them to selling your attention to people like me who want to buy it and sell you something. So when it's free, it's not necessarily a good thing. So I'm kind of waiting to use it to see what you could benefit from it. But I've seen people pretty much buy a brand new Mac Mini, give it a new Apple ID, give it a new, like a credit card with a spending limit, and it can literally do all kinds of things for you. It's pretty insane. People are hyped about it. They're calling it an AI digital butler, which is kind of nuts, honestly. But I'll share with you guys in a bit what my thoughts are and how I would use it. But there are some risks and some danger to it. For me, what I think is kind of crazy is like what I would want it to do is I would want it to submit contracts for us. So I would want it to go through open bids and submit contracts. Now, the danger with it is like it has access to my social security number, my EIN, all my tax information, my bank statements, literally like all of my previous taxes, really personal information for our organization. If that information leaked or was used, someone could totally wipe me out. I mean, like, I'm talking, they could take my entire net worth and like siphon it off. So I think that that's pretty dangerous, right? I'm not trying to lose hundreds of thousands of dollars. So there is some risk that I think could be potentially associated with it, right? Like, always hackers, there's always has been hackers, but if these guys could hack your machine, think about the grid is run on computers, like your power grid, the internet is run on computers, literally traffic lights. This is some like dystopian kind of crazy stuff that could happen, right? If someone can hack these Claude bots and have them do crazy things like shut down the grid, there's literally statistics that like 60% of the population would die over, I don't know how much, like 60 days if the power grid was completely down. So there's a lot of crazy things that could happen with this. Do I think that that's going to happen? Who knows? Like, President Trump literally voted against having any type of AI regulation. So like at the moment, it's the Wild West. Anything can happen. So that's why I'm personally reframing from using it at that level. But it is a really crazy AI bot. So we use a lot of AI automations in our marketing efforts and our funnels and stuff like that. So to have an AI bot that could even potentially just respond to every single DM is pretty freaking nuts. So I'm interested to see where this goes in the future. Like I said, in the future, I would literally have it scan every open contract for our NASC's code, and I would have it craft bids and submit bids and follow up with the contract officers and operate at a high level. Like, I used to pay a guy to do not even that many bids, like 8 bids a month. So if an AI bot could do that at scale, that would be incredible. So that's my takeaways on Claude. It's an insanely powerful tool. I also think that it has potential to be pretty dangerous. So comment below what your thoughts are and how you would use Claude if you had it on your system. Subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.